Today, I'm going to show you a simple but game-changing automation that transforms how I digest long YouTube videos. Imagine watching a killer YouTube tutorial, and halfway through, your brain lights up with ideas you want to save and revisit later. All you do is copy-paste the video URL into a simple form, hit submit, and boom, the magic starts behind the scenes. This automation automatically pulls the entire transcript from the video, dumps it into Airtable, and marks it as ready for deep research or AI use. We're talking about a 40-minute transcript loaded in less than 10 seconds. Crazy fast and super useful. Once the transcript is in Airtable, you can vectorize it and even ask AI questions like, how long did they say it takes to write a blog post? No more endless scrubbing through the video. Sure, there are tools out there like Transcript for transcription and editing, but they're focused on editing, not research or scalability. Plus, many services charge a lot per minute, which doesn't make sense if you just want a way to study or reuse content easily. That's where low-code tools like N8N and Airtable come in. They let you build your own smart content system that scales and is fully under your control. Add Appify to scrape YouTube data, and you have a custom setup that does exactly what you need, with no fluff. And here's a cool twist. Connect this setup to an AI tool that slices long videos into viral clips automatically, prepping your content for social media with no extra work. Imagine turning a 40-minute video into a searchable transcript and a stack of ready-to-post social media clips all at once. Let's start with Airtable. It's the central hub where all your video transcripts get stored with neat info like title, description, URL, and status. You set up a simple form that only asks for the YouTube URL. No extra input needed, just paste and submit. Airtable triggers kick off once the form is submitted, and a script sends the URL to N8N, where the real automation takes over. In N8N, a webhook listens for new URLs, pulls in video metadata via Appify, and grabs the captions, which are then cleaned up into a smooth transcript. The automated workflow merges everything and updates the Airtable record, marking the transcript as complete and ready to use. This creates a dynamic archive of YouTube content you can search, analyze with AI, or import into video tools for clip generation. And don't worry, once set up, it's plug and play. Just paste a link, and the system handles the rest while you get back to being creative. We've also got templates and resources in our community to guide you through everything from setup to advanced features like vectorizing and custom AI training. If you're tired of one-size-fits-all AI tools that don't quite fit your needs, building your own workflow gives you control and flexibility tailored to how you work. And hey, if you want to skip the back-end stuff and jump straight to creating viral clips, tools like Vizard are perfect for automatically finding and scheduling your best video moments. So whether you're a researcher, content creator, or just love diving deep into videos, this automation will seriously save you time and unlock new creative energy. All right, that's the walkthrough. Dive into the resources if you want to build your own, or try Vizard for a faster, easier start. Thanks for tuning in. Drop a comment with what content systems you want next, and let's keep building smarter workflows together.